Hello, my name is Roger and welcome to Roger Talks Tech and welcome to Lightroom Thursday, where I offer a Lightroom tip or technique every Thursday. The powerful color controls in Lightroom are a great way to make selective color adjustments in your images by changing the hue, saturation, and luminance of the individual color tones. And the color controls are located in the Develop panel, and then by clicking the color panel here in the right pane. And here we see color controls for red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. Now, a handy use for the color controls is to enhance skies that are dull or otherwise lackluster. A quick way to bring out the blue in a dull sky is to lower the luminance and increase the saturation of the blues and the aquas in the image. So if I scroll down until I see blue, I'm going to lower the luminance a bit, and we can already see the sky starting to pop a little bit more, and then I'm going to increase the saturation. And we can do the same thing for the aquas, and in this case the aquas don't make too much of a difference. But yes, so dragging these sliders can really make a difference in an otherwise boring sky. And then you can adjust this until it's just the way you like it. So if we look at the before and after, before, after, before, after. Maybe I don't want it quite so saturated, so I'm going to drag the saturation a little bit to the left. There we go. Before, after, before, after. So this is just one of many methods to fix a boring sky, but you might want to give it a try and see if it works for your particular photo. And that is it for this video and for Lightroom Thursday, and I will talk to you all next week. Roger and out.